we're heading into the Rhineland region of Western Germany. This is where the Garzweiler Surface Mine is located, named after the village of Garzweiler, which actually used to stand right here before the land was turned into one of Europe's largest open-cast coal mines. The mine has been expanding for decades, and with each expansion, small towns have disappeared. Immerath, Borskemich, and Kienberg. Some of them were resettled brick by brick, others just gone. The church in Immerath? Demolished. It's both fascinating and a little heartbreaking to see how the landscape, and the lives tied to it, have been transformed. Let's have a look around.
About it right now, everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. If you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. You're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
Alright, here's the view from above. This is Garzweiler, a massive lignite mine, or what's also called brown coal. Lignite is a soft type of coal, not super efficient, but still used to power coal-fired plants, especially in this part of Germany. And to get to it, they literally carve out the land layer by layer. You can see the terraces cut into the earth, stretching for kilometers. Those giant machines crawling across the pit, they're bucket wheel excavators, among the largest moving machines on Earth. Imagine a giant spinning wheel with buckets scooping up dirt nonstop. The whole operation covers nearly 50 square kilometers, and it's still expanding. It's part of the RW-operated lignite region, which has sparked a lot of controversy, climate concerns, displaced villages, energy politics. It's complicated, but from up here, one thing's clear. This place is huge. It looks like a scar in the earth, but it also powers millions of homes. That contrast between scale, impact, and necessity is what makes this place so worth seeing.